Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is your May-June 2022 paper 2. Okay, so task 2 is document. You're going to edit a document for Tawara Adriatic charters. The company uses corporate hostile. We discussed this last time that what corporate hostiles are. They are used in billboards, visiting cards to identify the uniqueness for every corporate organization. Paragraph must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Fine. Open the charter.rtf. So here is the file you have over here is a chartf. Obviously, it will open up in Word. Obviously, yes. The page setup is set to A4, page portrait orientation. So we can simply come into layout. We're going to make sure that it's A4, it is A4, and obviously it is portrait. Okay, with two symmetric margins, so all have to be two. I'll come into margins, custom margins, and 2 centimeter should be all of them. Yes or no? Right? Okay. Do not make any changes to these. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Do not make any changes to these unless, okay, right? Save the document work area in the format of your software using the file this. Okay, take a screenshot showing fine. Let's come to the next one. Place at the text this. We just have to save the part. Okay, I just didn't do it. You just had to save it with the name this in your work area. Okay. Now, I'll take a screenshot. Place the text this center aligned in the header. So obviously, we'll come to insert. We'll come into the header. Okay, and over here in the center line, I'm going to just place this. Let's see more. Automate. Okay, in the header. Place an automated page numbering left line, your name, center candidate, right line. Make sure that the header is center line between the margins. The footer is line. No other placeholders are included in header or footer areas. This means I need to remove this. I don't anything else. Then I'm going to go in the footer and I will use this option. Okay, because I want the information. What do I want? Automated page numbering in the left line. So I'll click here. Are you with me, Anne?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the footer and also footer. Oh, sorry, page numbering. So I'll click here, current position, and I'll place this. Okay, any sort of page numbering. Your name, center number, and candidate number should actually be right aligned. So in the right, I am going to place this, and I think so nothing over here, as you can see. No placeholder in footer area. Fine, done. Create the following paragraph style. So we have to create paragraph style, which is this. So I'll just copy this. And what we'll do is we'll come over here, styles, create a style. We'll name it as this, modify. It has to be sans serif, any particular sans serif we can use, okay? So remember serif and sans serif? Yes or no? What is the difference between serif and sans serif, yeah? Serif has pointed edges and sans serif have curved edges, smooth
So,
edges.
sir, serif means Arial, yes?
Serif, sans, no, Time New Roman is serif.
No, no, no.
No, what are you saying? We need is sans
Times New
serif.
Roman is serif, yes?
I will use MS reference sans serif over here. Is it fine? That's one of the best one. It's available everywhere, okay? MS reference sans serif. 34. 34 is big. Anyway, so we'll just type 34. Are they sure? Font size points. Fine. Okay. This is basically for what? Paragraph style. Isn't that too big? Okay, anyway. And then right aligned. Okay, so it's be right aligned. Bold italic. So I'll make it bold and italic. And then we'll make a line spacing single. So we'll come into paragraph and we'll make sure it's single. Okay. spacing before points, spacing before 0, and spacing after is 9. As you can see, this is 9 actually, not 12, but 9, right? Single. Okay. Okay. So this is what we have. It wasn't very big actually. Okay. Now take a screenshot to show the settings of this and place in the evidence document. So actually, this style that we just created, which was this one. No, was it this one? What is the name of it? YC title. YC title. Where is it? This one. Actually, I can modify this. We can give a screenshot of this. Fine. With a stepping tool. And
Yes, sir.
right. Then, okay. Then what we have to do is apply writing title style, vice title paragraph style to the title text Yach charter. So we don't actually have to apply it here. We have to apply it where? Yeah, charter. So here, okay. Select the subheading, types of charter, and the following text up to and including the paragraph this. So select the subheading, types of charter. Okay, this one. Okay, from here, they're saying, and the following text up, including the paragraph ending, you are free of them. Where does it go? We are free of them. One second, 1 second. Is it down there somewhere? You are free of them. Which are free for you to eat. Is this one? Yes, are you free if you eat them? Okay, so what we are supposed to do? 5 point. Did you read 5 point? Select the subheading, types of charter, and the following text up to include the paragraph this. Change the page layout so that only this text is in 2 columns with 1 centimeter gap. So what they're saying is, starting from here till over here, we have to do what? We have to actually go into layout, columns, 2 columns, 1 centimeter gap between them, and that's it. And I'll say okay. So I'll add this between them. Yes or no? By the way, this was not supposed to be this. This was actually body. So I'll just select this. This was not supposed to be of this font. So I'll make sure this remains as body. Right? You're following me. You have to follow the instructions. So done with this, right? Okay. Import JPG and place it in the paragraph beginning and alternate to the bare board. Okay, so an alternate. Actually, it takes some time at here. So we have to place it here. So I'll bring it here, insert. I'll see where the folder is. That's my folder. I'll simply, oh sorry, where am I? Where am I? Yeah, picture and paste. Right, I place it here. Okay. Okay, rotate the image to 180 degrees. So all we have to do is we simply come into this size. You see this over here? I'll click on this. And what we have different options over here is I can rotate this to, okay, fine, 180 degrees. Okay, right here. Okay, format the image so that it is resized to a width of 4 centimeter. So we just have to do is we have to make sure what is 4 centimeter? Width of 4 centimeters. So I'll make the width as 4. Okay, it's logged. It means if I change the width, the height will automatically change. Done. Okay, it is aligned to the right of the column. It is aligned to the right of the column and top of the margin. Okay, so it wraps. So we have to actually wrap it this way. So here we can say use the tight. So right of the margin is this, my dear. You see this? It's this way. Yes or no? You get my point? Yes, Anne?
Yes.
Okay. And it rounds around. Okay. So 7. Sort the list from fuel to equipment in alphabetical order. Okay, hold on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Fuel to water to equipment in alphabetical order. So let's select this. And we have multiple options of doing it. We can simply, oh, sorry, we can simply directly come here. Where is it? Here we go. That's alphabetical order. Right? Okay. Sorted. Did you see that? Right, Ayan? It's being recorded, so you can have a look again. Okay. Apply bullets to all the steps. Okay. Always read ahead. To 7. Make sure that the bullets are aligned to the left. The list is in single line spacing with no space before or after each line. There are 6 point space after the last item in the list. Okay. So first of all, I'll add is bullet. Now 1. The list in single line spacing with no. So I'll come to paragraph. I'll see single. 2. With no spaces before after. So there should be 0, 0. There is 6 point space after the last item. Okay, that I will do after single line spacing. Sorry, before after. There's a single point space after. I'll do that manually. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just click on this, and over here, once I click over here, I go to paragraph, and I'll say is before should be 6. Did you see my point, beta? Because it says before this,
Yes, sir.
either before this or after this. Okay, so if they said there should be single 6 point spacing after the last line, which technically means before this paragraph. So I right clicked and I went to paragraph and I did it manually over here. Okay, right. The YC subhead paragraph style has already been created and applied to 4 subheadings. Modify the YC subheading paragraph style so that only the following formatting is applied. Okay, take a screenshot. So we just have to edit this. This is YC subheading. So we'll simply need to modify this. It should be serif. No, it's not serif. So I can preferably use Times New Roman. It should be font size 16. Align center. Bold italic. Underline is not there. Single line spacing. So we can come into paragraph and we can say a single line spacing. Before is 0, after is 6. Before is 0, after is 6. Okay, okay. Now what to do? Well, we have to give a screenshot. So what was it? Sorry. YC subheading. So YC subheading. We have to give a screenshot of this Ayan. Right? Okay. Done. Locate the table
Yes, sir.
in the document. Apply YC table paragraph style to all the text in the table. Now we have YC table over here somewhere. YC table. I don't see YC table. What should be here? Obviously. The only table I can see is this table. But it doesn't say it's YC table. Okay. Are they just saying generally? Okay, look at the table. Yeah, there's a table. Sorry, this is the table, and we need to apply is this one. Fine. This table. That done that. Okay. Format only the first two row tables will look like this. The first two rows. So this one. So we have to actually merge. And then we have no, it should not have been like this. So sorry. It should have been merged. Can I just do one thing? I'll apply it afterwards. I just want to see. Okay. So I can select this. Merge cells. Okay. 3. And we have to actually make this shaded. So we can come into table properties, border and shading, and we'll shade it to, let's say, this much. Right, Ayan? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Format results are one point black internal and external gradient line displays. 1 point. So I did it myself. Okay, I did not do this before. So table properties, border and shading, and this should be not half point, it should be 1 point. Okay, all. Okay. What else? All text on each row displays in one line. It's all in one line. All table borders fit with the column width. Yes, they are. Okay, I can just do is right click, auto fit to window, fit to column width, sorry. Okay. It should auto fit to window. Yeah, auto fit to window. It's the column width. You have to do auto fit to window if you want to fit column width. Okay. The table borders are also to column width. There is 6 point space after the table. So the same thing. So I'll click here. I go to paragraph and I'll say is before there should be 6 point and there will always be 6 points. Okay. Spell check improve document. The list and tables are not split over columns or pages. Okay. No, they're not. There are no videos orphan. You know what videos orphans are. If something goes to the next page, okay, paragraph, that's no blank, paragraph style is implied. Paragraph style has been applied as instructed. There's 6 point space after the table list. We've done that. Save the document using this. Okay, I will print the document. This was like 25 marks. Is that fine, Ayan? I'll just stop the recording.